Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M5 versus the Jetta. We'll dive into what sets these two vehicles apart, from their intended purpose to their performance capabilities. Understanding these core differences is key to appreciating why each car exists and who it's designed for. Let's explore the distinct characteristics that define each model, helping you see which might better suit your needs. When it comes to raw power, the M5 is in a league of its own, often delivering over 600 horsepower. This allows for blistering acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. The Jetta, while efficient, provides a more modest 158 horsepower, resulting in a more relaxed acceleration time of about 8.5 seconds. These figures highlight their distinct performance philosophies. Beyond performance, the M5 offers a luxurious cabin with top-tier materials and cutting-edge technology, reflecting its premium price point. The Jetta, on the other hand, focuses on practicality and cost-effectiveness, providing a comfortable and reliable ride for everyday use. Its emphasis on fuel efficiency and a lower entry price makes it a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers. Both cars excel in their respective segments. Ultimately, the driving experience is where these two diverge most. The M5 offers a thrilling, dynamic ride, perfect for enthusiasts seeking high performance and precision. The Jetta provides a smooth, reliable, and economical experience ideal for daily driving and long commutes. For those looking to upgrade their home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Consider your priorities to pick the perfect car for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.